For many small business owners, working with a board of directors is a new experience and it can be a challenge. As the founder and quite likely largest shareholder, you are probably used to controlling how things are done and having the final say on key decisions. However, a properly functioning board of directors can be a powerful force for your company's success. Board members can offer you unbiased advice on a wide range of areas, from planning strategy to getting finance, developing strategic partnerships, and hiring the right people. They can also ensure the business is running appropriately by providing an independent overview, ensuring the right checks and balances are in place, and advising on policies and procedures. Your board can be a valuable asset to the business. Look for directors from outside the business. They can bring experience and expertise that your team lacks. For example, export or overseas experience or specific financial know-how. And look for people who have already served on a board. They can start contributing straight away and also provide direction for other board members with less experience. Small focus boards mean that more gets done. Communication is easier and it takes less of your time to manage. A board of 5 members is good for small businesses, and an odd number of board members helps to avoid deadlock in decision making. Make sure potential board members have enough time to give to your company, not just for board meetings, but also on an ad hoc basis for advice when challenges arise. And make sure those you invite to be part of your board are fully aware of what is required of them, both in terms of your expectations and also their duties and responsibilities as directors. Keep communication channels open throughout the relationship, not just at board meetings. There's no set requirement for how frequently a board meets. Although many meet quarterly, you should schedule your meetings to address the needs of your business. Think too about the timing of the meetings. What fits best with your board members' other commitments? And think about where you hold your board meetings. What sort of venue is likely to be the most conducive to a productive session? Choose your board wisely. They play a crucial role in the success of your business and can help guide you to achieve substantial growth.